Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. This one is a contract 1099 position and it is temporary. It is only through the end of 2022. So September, October, November, and December, the next 4 months. So this is a position if you are looking for work from home jobs, you can get your foot in the door and have some money coming in while you are continuing to apply and find your permanent dream job. With that being said, we will just dive on in. If you've ever been into the fitness, healthy lifestyle, weight loss community, you have probably heard about the app MyFitness. Now, MyFitness is an app that you can download on your phone and you can track your calories and food, your carbs, all that kind of stuff. You can track your healthy daily habits like how much water you are drinking. You can have it calculate your steps and exercise that you are getting. It is a little fitness app and they are hiring a community specialist social coordinator. Now again, this is a contract position and is only through the end of 2022, but you never know. Sometimes things can turn into full-time. But they are specifically looking for someone to address customer concerns, complaints, and questions on both organic and paid social media posts and DMs via Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other emerging social media channels. You'll need to be able to display good judgment, a positive work ethic, strong interpersonal skills, and adhere to their community guidelines. So you'll be working non-phone through their social media channels. You'll recognize the risk in the public nature of the social channels, investigate and respond to any complex customer complaints. You'll understand MyFitnessPal's brand voice and maintain their brand voice across your interactions of their social media platforms. You'll identify opportunities and gaps in the support content and make recommendations for updated FAQs or different other support articles that can be released. You'll also assist the community team with providing positive engagement and support in the forums and social media platforms. So they're looking for someone who can live by their values of be kind and care, live in good health, be data inspired, champion change, and leave it better than you found it. So to be qualified for this role, they're looking for someone who has 3 years or more in customer service, social media support, someone who has a current knowledge and in-depth familiarity with the best practice for social media, someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, great computer skills, the ability to learn very quickly on the fly and adapt to change. You need to have a peer positive attitude and confidence using computers and technology. Now, unfortunately, they do not state what the pay is for this position. You would have to ask that at the time of the interview, but they have quite a bit of perks and benefits, including it says flexible time off policy, so that equates to flexible working hours. They have medical, dental, vision, 401k. Of course, you get a subscription to MyFitnessPal Premium. They have rewards and recognition platforms and much, much more. As always, if this position was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really, really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.